Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can delete a post in Parler app. And guys, it really doesn't matter if you're using iPhone or the Android because the process is pretty much the same. Alright, so first of course open Parler app, and then you need to click on your profile icon that is on a top left. And the next step what you need to do here is to click on profile, and here you'll see all your posts, and simply the next step what you need to do here is to select the post that you want to delete. So for example, I want to delete type your post, and as you can see here on the post right side there is little arrow to the down. Press on that, and again press on the arrow, and as you can see here little pop-up shows up, and on the bottom there is a remove button. Press on that, and that's how you can delete posts on Parler app. Right, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.